Hello everyone! Ngayon po ay August 17 at yung gospel po natin ay Lucas chapter 12 verse 49 to 53. At napakaganda po yung gospel. In our gospel today, Luke chapter 12 verse 49-53, Jesus declares his purpose is to bring fire and division to the earth rather than peace. Why? Because he speaks of a baptism he must undergo, referring to his suffering and death and the subsequent division caused by his message, which will lead to conflicts even within families. Three things to remember, my dear friends. First one, fire. Fire, Jesus' words about bringing fire to the earth symbolize his message of judgment and purification. It signifies the intensity of his mission in the transformative power of his teachings. Second one, baptism. The baptism of Jesus mentions refers to his impending suffering and death on the cross. He acknowledged the anguish he will endure before this baptism is complete. Third one, division. Jesus states that his arrival will bring division, not peace. This division will manifest as conflicts within families, with relationship and fractured along the lines of belief. This division is a consequences of people choosing to follow Jesus. God bless everyone, and may the Lord be with you. Amen.